All right, everyone. This is the STEM career research and website design project video. I'm going to show you how to make this project. Previously, you explored some different STEM careers. I want you to pick one to go into more detail and research more. So step one, select the STEM career that you want to research in more detail. Step two, click here and sign up for a Weebly account using your school email. I'll show you how to do that in a second. You're going to choose a website layout template. You need to use a free domain name, and you're going to use the assignment guideline, which is this worksheet that I'm going to give you guys. And so this is worth 35 points total. Each page is worth 5 points, so each page on your website. And it has a checklist of things that you need to include. Now make sure you read the details of each section because they're different. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by signing up with your school email. I already have an account. No, let me sign in. Oh, there you go. All right, so I'm gonna make a new website because I was messing around with it before. All right, what kind of website do you need to create? I just need a website. You're not making a store. Now you can select a theme or layout. You can preview them. Theme preview. I don't like how these pages look. Doesn't matter what the company is supposed to be for. So you're gonna hit start editing. Now, this is the part where you select your domain name. Put in a keyword. So I'm gonna do let's see, I'll do a teacher website one. You guys need to choose a STEM one. So, I'm gonna do teacher example. Let's search. So you see these professional domains, they don't say Weebly, they cost money. But down here you see subdomain with this Weebly. That is the free one. We add some numbers to see if that will, it's not available. We'll put Dominion. Might have to make it long. Don't put your name in the URL, okay? So this one's available and it's free, so I'm gonna choose it. Done. Okay. So reload the editor. All right. So this is my home page. This is what it's gonna look like when someone comes in. You can add different pages. So let's open the assignment guide. So for your home page, you need to make sure your page design is clean and consistent with the overall design and style of your website. So all the pages should look like they match this website. You need to include a title and information. So include a title, the name of your career, and describe your career. What does it focus on? A photo or video. And you need to include the source that at least one source that you used at the bottom of each page of your website. This is the source that you use for the information that you're going to write on there. So do not use Google. Google is not a source. It is a database. So I'm going to give you an example. All right. You know what's easy for me is I'm just going to copy and paste this information to help me remember what I need to do. So let's do the title. I'll do STEM teacher. That'll be the STEM career I'm researching. I don't need this box, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select it. Oops. Select it, and then you see, hover over it, you see the X. I'm gonna delete that. I don't need that. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and paste this information that we need to add. So we got a title, STEM teacher. The name of your career, it's the name of the career. Describe your career. So what does the career focus on? What kind of people are a good fit for this type of career? So what is a STEM teacher? Now you guys need to write this in your own words, but for the sake of time, I'm going to copy and paste. So this is a description of my career. And I don't really need all of this nonsense, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of it. But you could add more information here if you wanted. I want to select this whole thing. Might take you a while to delete everything. Make it your own. And what I'm doing is I'm just hovering over. And you can see if when you hover over it, I could move this around if I wanted to, but I don't want it here. We could delete this whole section. Good. Maybe what I'll do is delete this whole section too. Okay. I think I want to delete this section. I want the page to be a little bit more. Oh, actually, maybe I could. No, I'll say that at the bottom. Okay, this is how I wanted it to look. A little bit more simple. Now let's add a photo. So replace image. Give it image URL. So STEM, not STEAM, STEM teacher images. Kind of like that one. Oh, I like this. So you can go right click, copy image address, copy, paste, insert. There we go. Then I see STEM two places. Maybe I'll do, I'll do science clip art. Do like a cartoony thing going on. I know I take forever to decide on pictures, but I'm very particular. Well, maybe I'll do this. That's kind of cute. Okay, so I'm gonna click this, replace image. I think it's okay size. I think it's kind of fun that you only see. I could maybe make it a little bit smaller, but you can edit the photo if you want. Change the filter, add text to it. I think it's okay. All right, so I've got my picture information. Oh yeah, I need to add a source. Right, that's all I got left on my checklist. I've done, make sure the design's clean and consistent. I've added all the information I'm supposed to. I've added a photo or video. I just need a source at the bottom of the page. So I kind of want to make it right here. So I'll make this a smaller font. I'll adjust the font, but I'll put source. Let me make this smaller so you can adjust the font, the placement, all that stuff. I'm gonna, ooh, that's really small. Okay. And then you know what I'm gonna do? So this is this Google is what I use. It's the database. This is the actual website that I used. It's called Code Monkey. So actually what I'll do is I'll type out the name. You could also just put the URL, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create link, website. Open a new window. Did it work? Oops, yep, it worked. Okay, perfect. And let's see if I could change let's change the font color. Let's do blue. Okay. Yeah, I like that. All right. So this is my home page. I've got the title, career information, link, and picture. So it's all done by checklist for home page. Now the next one, overview page. So you click here, my menu. I'm going to change the name of this. So STEM teacher overview. We get rid of these spa pictures. See this more like this. I like that. It's kind of fun. This is a good one. So copy image address. Insert. I think I'm going to actually hover over this and delete this. I think I might, yeah, I wanted a text there. And then let's delete all the spa information. All right, so STEM teacher overview. What do I have to write about? I got to make sure my page design is clean, consistent with the style, and it is. Include a title, I already got that, and information about your career. Give at least 3 reasons why this career is a good fit for you. At least 3 facts about the career that you find interesting. So just so I can remember this, I'm gonna put this information here. Let's just do a general description. What does it mean to teach STEM? That's a good example system. All right. Once again, you need to write in your own words, but to save time for this video, I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, so that's a general description. All right, and I need three reasons this job is a good fit. Or you know what, let's make it fun. Let's make it more fun. A good fit. 3 reasons why. Let's make it a little bit more creative. Make this bold. Like that. Then maybe I'll make this bold as well so it's cohesive, it kind of matches. Okay. So 3 reasons why this is a good fit. Now you see here, you can do 1, 2, 3 bullet points. Let's do 1, 2, 3. So, because I have always wanted to be a teacher, because I love project-based learning projects, because learning is fun. Be more in depth than that, but and see, let's see how they're not lining up. That's gonna bug me. Let's make sure it lines to left. Okay. And then, I'm gonna get rid of this section. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to add another title down here. Oops, no. I'm gonna drag it. This is not the right spot, so I'm gonna drag it down here. There we go. I'm gonna copy this so it's similar. Center it, just like the other one. Facts. Interesting information. And then here, text. Put underneath. And I'm just going to copy and paste this just so you have the visuals. But you need to find 3 interesting facts. Like here, I'll just do one. This is just one fact, just to have something different. The facts can be copied and pasted. That's fine with me. But now we need to use our source, or add our source at the bottom here. So just like I did the source at the bottom of the home page. What is this place called? You can just add the URL if you want. ECAP is the name of this website though. I just want to show you how you can incorporate links. Okay. Let's make the color that same one we did before. I think I had this bold. Okay. So I've got my page design is cohesive, title information with all the information required for this overview page, a photo or video, and at least one source at the bottom. Now salary page. So you're gonna go here. I need to change there we go. You need to change the pages. So the page name, we're gonna make that overview. Change it to the titles of the worksheets, okay? Go back. And the next one will be salary. And then there'll be a education page. And then later you're gonna make a lifestyle page and a slideshow page. So lifestyle page. Let's add another page. You're gonna make a slideshow page. Okay. All right, so we're done with the pages. Let's go back to build. We have the home page done. That's okay. I'm fine with that. Our overview. Then you'll add your salary information, education, lifestyle. So you need to make sure you add this information. So look at the different parts of this information. The salary page, I'll show you this. You need to include at least one chart, diagram, or infographic that shows where this career is in demand. Okay, so infographics are graphic and visual representation of information, data, or knowledge intended to present information quickly and clearly. So let's do this. Demand for, let's see, chart showing demand for STEM teachers. Go to images. Actually, I kind of like this one better. So you'll find some kind of chart information infographic. So let me go to salary. Let's do this. Let's get rid of that. Let me delete this whole section. Let me delete that. Let's insert an image. Let's insert an image to the left. So this is where all my salary information would be. You just put the chart there. Put STEM teacher salary information. And you can add other things. You can put a map of where people are most in need for your job, a gallery, video, audio. But these are the things that you have to do to receive the points, the minimum. All right, but I just want to show you how to do the slideshow. So slideshow needs to have you have a reaction page. We'll need to add that. You have at least 10 photos. You have to have a title and a short description of your career, and at least 10 photos, and at least one source. So let's do this. Delete that. I like the way this looks. Okay, and you need to upload photos from your computer. So you'll need to go, to Google and download some photos. And you'll add that there. And then you'll insert a title and a short description. I don't know if I have any. Actually, no. Let me click off here. I don't think I have any photos to use though. And let me download some. So you can save image. Save it on your desktop. This is the easiest way to find it, I think. Let's just do a couple more. Desktop. Okay. So upload photos from a computer. Go to desktop. We'll select these. See if we can do more than one. You can add links to each photo or comments. So you need 10, I'm just doing 3 just to show you. So this is what the slideshow will look like. Let's do this. Let's insert title above. Teacher slideshow. Some text here. I'm just copying, pasting some information just to save time, but you need to write in your own words. And you need to add a source for this information. Now I mentioned we have one more, you have a reaction. So I'm just gonna show you one more time how to add more pages. So this is the build. You need one more page. We need a reaction page. And this is where you're going to react to your research about the career. So how do you feel about this career after completing the research? Are you still interested in the job? Are you not interested in it? What surprised you? What didn't surprise you? What concerns do you have? And include your source at the bottom here. So I'm going to let you have free range with how you want to design it and everything. You just need to have the elements on each page on your checklist. Let me know if you have any questions.